Adorable dogs, unique reptiles, and even parrots were featured at the 6th Annual Meadowlands Pet Expo at the Harmon Meadowlands Expo Center in Secaucus.
About almost 20 years ago, we started as a horse expo, and all the horse people had other pets. We added the pet show, and then the rest of it's history.
The expo, which ran for 3 days, invited families to enjoy educational and entertaining performances, special attractions, petting opportunities, pet adoptions, and holiday shopping for pet lovers and their pets.
We have plenty going on. We have this dog arena that we're standing in right now. We have a rainforest reptile show and other demonstrations and educational announcers. We have a petting zoo and pony rides. We have other rides for children. We have a bat cave, pet photography, bird shows, and then what we do is we donate a whole section to pet adoption groups. We have about 15 pet adoption groups.
Like you could get like a dog. You could get a dog from here. You could adopt it.
There was a classic canine dog show, dancing dogs, a pet fashion show, and a pet costume contest.
They're going to experience the most amazing things that dogs do in the world. High-speed agility, world record high jumping. This is the only trick she knows. Look, Jet, you're on TV, dummy. And we have like dancing dogs, we have frisbee dogs, we have every dog sport imaginable all queued into one 30-minute show. It's a lot of fun.
It's really easy and safe. It's not agility where they're having to run a course and you know, could possibly hurt themselves. It's really just for fun and for speed. So we have them run around and compete against each other, everything from a 5-pound Chihuahua to a 100-pound Doberman competing against each other for the best time.
Well, here's Athena. She's a 3-year-long Chihuahua. She's also a rescue, and I got her when she was 6 months. I call her Athena because I think she's a beautiful Greek goddess, and that's what this dress is inspired about, with the leaf stones, really Roman and Greek, and the Greek mythology with the sash and gold embellishment. This dress was made for her 3rd birthday, where we raise funds for Incubus Animal Rescue that support pets in Puerto Rico. We also work with Major Alliance of New York, Animal Hating, and all kind of organizations that will support animal rights.
The winner of this year's costume contest was Meatballs and Spaghetti.
It's really exciting. It's fun to, you know, have an activity to do with your dog. And this was a homemade costume, and he's very patient with me.
The Meadowlands Expo Center is located at 355 Plaza Drive in Secaucus.
We love the families. It's a family show. We have people bring their own pets with them, which is interesting. And we have vendors, excellent vendors that you normally wouldn't see in a local pet store.
I come to this expo every year. It's a lot of fun. Get to, you know, shop around and spoil my dog a little bit.
For my dog, just to see the new stuff that they have that I can get for him, whatever they offer. And like I said, it's a good thing to get out with the kids and enjoy. I mean, can't go wrong.
For more information, please call 631-423-0620 or visit www.familypetshows.com.
And we do it every year. We do it on Long Island, New York, Philadelphia, Reading, Pennsylvania, Allentown, and here in New Jersey.